Ladies and gentlemen, myself Saurabh over here. In this event, I'm going to unbox a brand new power supply from Gigabyte. And the model name of this power supply is Gigabyte P650B. It's a non-modular 650 watt 80 plus volts certified power supply. I would say everything in detail about this power supply here. Please keep watching this video up to the end with my channel TechFair HD. So without wasting any time, let's get started. You can see the box packaging which I am unboxing. I bought this power supply from an online website, that is vedantcomputers.in. The packaging is very nice. I don't have any issue on the box packaging. Let's open the box and check what is inside the box. The box is in black and golden color combination, and there is the invoice copy which is provided by Vedant Computers. Some basic information and the branding is given on top of the box, and the model name is clearly written on it. A clear picture of all the connectors is given on the box. Later I would say in detail on all the power connectors given with this PSU. The power cable quality is extremely good. Also the build material is good enough. A silica gel pouch is given with it. Some user manual and 4 screws are given to fit the PSU with the PC case. Let's talk about all the power connectors of this PSU. This is the 24-pin ATX power connector. The connector quality and the build material is good enough. This is the CPU or EPS power connector, and this PSU has only one 8-pin CPU or EPS power connector. If your motherboard has a 2 8-pin or one 8-pin and a 4-pin CPU or EPS power connector, then this PSU is not for you. This is the PCIe graphic card power connector, and this PSU has a total of 4 PCIe connector. The cable quality and the connector is good enough. There are 3 Molex connectors and a peripheral connector is given with this PSU. These are the SATA connectors given with this PSU, and there are total of 6 SATA connectors available in this PSU.